Yeah, hi, good evening. Today I have got a topic of a doctors group meeting to present in my PPT. Hi, I'm Anup Minch from Ranchi Crescent Formulation Private Limited. So without delaying, let's start with the session. I have made this presentation in nine topics, and these nine pages, and these 9 pages have been I'll cover up quickly. In fact, so first of all, the introduction part, if you come like doctors group meeting. Now, doctors group meeting, there are two types of doctor group meeting. Usually we categorize like CME and doctors group meeting in a general get together way also. Now, why these meetings are important? Like companies participate in sponsoring other stalls, taking participations in other seminars, conventions, and these all type of activities company do. Good companies always participate in these type of programs. Definitely. So, doctor group meeting is also an important event to make a presence in front of the doctors, and among the doctors group, we have to present ourselves as our company to represent in fact. So, doctors group meeting is something like bringing the like-minded scientific people, the researchers under one roof. Now, if there is a CME, there must be some topics. In that topic particularly, we have to arrange. So I am earlier days the lot of groups. Now let us come to the group. Now earlier days the lot of groups would be were there. Like the major group was IMA, Indian Medical Association. For doctors fraternity, they have made this national level at national level. Nowadays there are a lot of regional chapter, Jharkhand chapter, Bihar chapter. These are chapters, different chapters. They are having their own groups like regional level, state level, district level, small group level. Specialty wise nowadays they have come like physician, ortho, gynae, dermatology, neurologists, psychiatrists, neurosurgeons. They are having their own their group. Ophthalmologists, urology, cardiac, diabetology, kidney, liver, pathology, radiology, neurology, nephrology, gastroenterology. They are having different group, and all among those group of people, they want to meet among their group only. So there are different groups in fact. So now plan for DGM and doctor groups. Now, who are the initiators? Whether it is a local group of the doctors or whether it is a company, pharma company. Now, if it is a local group of the doctor, it is very easy to arrange all the arrangements very easily. Now, if the doctors group, then it's easy to coordinate with the speaker, very easy to contact the chairperson, the patron, the advisory committee, the jury panels, maybe the coordinators, the secretary, the master of the ceremony, who all are there. It is very easy. Like you will contact one person, that doctor will tell that, yeah, the senior doctor, he must be the chairperson, he must be the patron, he will advise everything and he will arrange everything, and he will just ask the company to sponsor. So that is easy part in fact. And definitely the topic to be relevant, if it is from the local group, they will themselves will suggest the topic, and we have to make the venue arrangements, days, date, timing, preferably Saturdays or weekends. Whether the dinner should be like it is a get together part, then cocktail dinners are there or not, something like that. Distance of the venue, numbers of participants to be expected. The speaker should be influential personality, and it should be coordinated in every way. The company person must have also a personal invitation part. Now, when it comes from a company side, that company has to arrange the meeting, then we have to think of the very important thing is topic. The topic must be taken help from the PMT department also, how they will suggest and what should be the topic. It should be attractive. It should be grabbing attention to the participants. Product launch DGMs or CMEs are also there. Topic. Now, it's some of the, according to my experiences, I am sharing once we took a psychiatrist to a physician group. Now, psychiatrist to a physician group, and we kept the topic comorbid anxiety and depression in cardiodiabetic patient. So the topic itself attracted the participants to come maximum. So the topic should be like that it should attract the patients, attract the doctors' attention in that way in fact. Now, the speaker from company side, if company is organizing, definitely the company also provide the speaker, or maybe the local group of the doctor who is the good speaker, having a good acceptance among the doctors. That doctor should be chosen up for the particular topic, and we should give the presentations to him, and he would prepare all the presentations within 1 week or 10 days, and then he will present the same topic on behalf of the company side. Now, definitely there are different lobbies also. So we have to take care of the lobbies. There's some doctor prefer that he should not come, he should come. So the pharma person has to be smart enough to judge all these things, and who should be the chairperson and patrons and all. They have to coordinate in locally with their colleagues and teammates and their area manager and everybody, and they will choose the person in that way. Definitely consulting to the coordinator or the secretary part, which we have already said. And the selection of the doctors are important, like who are all, whether the doctor is from our as a business part, whether he is important or not, whether how much business he could give. So factors that influence numbers of participants, like the main thing is topic and speakers. Definitely the topic should be attractive, as I already discussed. The venue, good hotel, good ambience must be there. The distance, it must be centrally located from the town. The class of hotel also doctors see definitely nowadays, as you also understand and know. The days are very important, the dates are very important, the timings preferably after 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock in the weekend. Good food quality of the hotel, must be some known things must be also there, so that the doctors can attract the things. Now, finalizing the DGM. Now, talking to the main coordinator or the person, if we have finalized the topic and the everything, and the speaker also is finalized. Earlier also I suggested like local group was there, they will be suggesting all the things. Then we should go and talk to a good venue, and the time should be decided. And if everything is okay, the hotel is okay and everything, we must finalize maybe some advance payment also. The token money also should be given. We should select the food menu and all according to the local taste and the company budget also. We have to take care in the mind. Definitely we should ask the hotel people for welcome drinks and flowers and bouquets also, so that they can on the day they should welcome with the flowers and bouquet. Even we also welcome delegates with the flowers and bouquets also. Necessary arrangements like memento, certificates, if to be given, it must be definitely consulted with the doctor and the local authority. The local coordinator or the secretary must be there, must be discussed with the committee also. If the vehicle arrangements are being needed for the elderly doctor, maybe senior doctor, maybe old doctor there, so it should be also been arranged. Since it is DGM for our business purpose, we should definitely take some printouts of brand reminders, some flags, some banners, some brand reminders must be there, some product reminders must be there, so that people may be coming and going after the meeting. Will be definitely after the DGM, when we go and meet to the doctors, we can definitely do our brand reminders in that way. Now, the writing pad, pen, the takeaway, leave behinds, leaflets as company compliments, certificates, maybe of the authorized signatory. It must be discussed with the PMT department also, with the local coordinator also, the doctor. Now, after that, we will do a invitation and follow up. The invitation card or letter must be taken, print out and distributed, personally inviting to the doctor, each and every doctor, suppose 30 doctor or 40 doctor, 50 doctor participants we want in that meeting. So we will definitely personally visit, and we will give an invitation. And we will definitely take a permission that, sir, before that DGM, 1 or 2 days before, shall I come to meet you? Shall I inform you? So we should make the call. Necessary programs we should make the call 1 day ago also, and on the day also. So collecting the phone numbers if it is not there. So before 1 or 2 days, meeting the doctors and reminding about the phone call about the DGM, we should remind him. And on the day message, if required, phone calls and required participants, if we can do that. So pre-arrangements and requirements, what should be done? The pre-arrangements like laptop, audio visuals, mic, screen for laptop presentation, sound system, lights, to be coordinated with hotel people and hotel staffs also, and the stationery, food items, etc. and etc. So register should be also there for maintaining the proper records of the attendees, participants, like phone number, email ID, so that if anything required, if any query is there, question answer session is there, so we can definitely gather some information and we can mail out after that DGM also. The speakers, if the speaker is staying arrangements must be there. If the speaker is from outside, like national level of a speaker or maybe international speakers, then on the DGM day, definitely we should make the necessary phone calls for coordinating with the doctors, participants, hotel people, vehicle people, colleagues, our own colleagues. Now we should be present before 3 hours before only. Now we will welcome all the delegates with the flowers and bouquets, and definitely from the company side somebody can go, maybe area manager, maybe regional manager, maybe some good participant they can also go in front of the, and they can do a opening message from the company side, and then definitely they can welcome the master of the ceremony, and then the master of the ceremony will definitely call the speaker, and maybe some facilitation programs might be going on. And then after that, when the program is finished, everything is concluded, the topic is been covered, our all brand reminders, everything is covered, we'll complete all the things, and definitely thanksgiving message to all the companies from the company side will be giving, and definitely we will ask the doctor to go for the enjoy the dinner and all. Definitely after the program is finished, we'll definitely it's a good manner and etiquette also to see off all the doctors to their vehicle, their cars. Will be seeing see off, we must do, in fact. And then after that, after everything is finished, then we should thank the hotel people, and maybe if the payment and all, some maybe bill to company BTC is there, or maybe local payments are there, we should take care of all those parts. And definitely we should thank all our colleagues, those who helped us to complete all this DGM in a proper way. So we should do all these things, and definitely after finishing all this, and we're definitely talking to our PMT department, the product department also, they must be also giving us the thanks. And after everything is finished, the next day onwards, we should go and do the follow-up with the particular those customers. Ultimately all these DGMs and all, everything happened for the business purpose only. So the business should come ultimately, and we should follow up all the doctors for the business and feedback also, and it must be reciprocated in the business and making relations to the doctor, and ultimately we will gather the good business and a good revenue for the company also. I think I have covered almost all of the points. If some points are lacking, I would definitely try to upgrade myself in my next video. Thank you for watching me till this time. Thank you.